Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to mute words on Twitter or X. Step number 1, click More from the side navigation menu, then select Settings and Privacy. Step number 2, click the Privacy and Safety tab, then click Mute and Block. Step number 3, click Muted Words. And step number 4, click the plus icon. Step number 5, enter the word or hashtag you'd like to mute. Entries can only be added one at a time. Step number 6, select Home Timeline if you wish to mute the word or phrase from your home timeline. Step number 7, select Notifications if you wish to mute the words or phrase from your notifications. Step number 8, specify from anyone or from people you don't follow. Step number 9, under Mute Timing, choose between Forever, 24 hours from now, 7 days from now, or 30 days from now. And step number 10, click Save. That's it. Thanks for watching.